showing fractions that are equivalent. What does equivalent mean? Well, when we use paper, we say two fractions are equivalent when they cover the same area. Let me show you what I mean. This is one whole. If I fold in half like this, I get two halves. I've shaded one half. How many equal parts are there? There's two equal parts. How about I fold again? So I folded my piece of paper in half again. How many equal parts are there now? So I had two. How many do I have now? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 equal parts. We call these fourths. How many parts are shaded? So I had one half shaded, so one part was shaded. How many shaded now? There's 2. 1, 2. So 2/4 is shaded. So we can see that 2/4 is equivalent to 1/2. Let's do another one. This is one whole. I've divided it in 3 equal parts. Now I've shaded one part. So I've shaded 1/3. Let's fold it in half and see what we get. So I had 3 equal parts. How many equal parts do I have now? So I had 1, 2, 3. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. We call these 6. How many equal parts are shaded? So there was 1 equal part that was shaded. How many shaded now? 1, 2. 2, 6 are shaded. So we can see 2/6 is equivalent to 1/3. My challenge to you is to write the fraction that is equivalent to 2/3. Thanks.